Hey everybody, it's Neil. I don't have a John Deere currently with me, but I'm going to show you guys what this is. The belt, we got a replacement belt and parts and stuff. So we're going to look at this and show you all the pieces and parts you get with it. Let me aim you down so you can see it on the workbench here. So this is the pulley system here, and we have the pulley piece. So you need it for your, tractor thing, whatever. This is going to go on here. This will be on there to give it the tension that it needs. And then this is the piece here. I guess this goes inside of here onto the stuff somehow. I'm not exactly sure how this is going to go. I'm not putting it on, but it seems really well made. I mean, you can look at this belt. This belt has got really strong belt. It's not going anywhere. This is going to probably last you for years and years. So it's a replacement for the John Deere part. And then this one here comes off here. It's made out of nice strong metal. Got a bearing in there, so that is nice too. And then this will go up there. We have this, and then we have the little parts here that will screw on to keep it closed, I guess, wherever it goes. So there's that whole pulley system and everything. So pretty cool. I like it. Thumbs up.